Alright, what's up YouTube? Today I'm back to give you guys another video. Today I will be unboxing the Koss Tony Bennett Signature Edition headphones. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. Now let's start this intro. Alright YouTube, let's go ahead and start this unboxing. Now let me tell you a little bit about these headphones. These are the Koss Tony Bennett Signature Edition headphones. Now let me show you a little bit about the box. You can see Tony Bennett there, picture of the headphones, and included there's a download for his CD, as you can see there, and the side signature, and the other side, and that is the back, and tells you a little bit about the album and about Tony Bennett. Alright, now these headphones, they retailed for $150, but I seen them on Amazon cheaper than that, so go ahead and look on Amazon. And let's go ahead and open this box. And comes with this Tony Bennett little book. Tells you about the headphones. It's pretty cool. And on the back it has my code for the album, which I'm not gonna show you guys. And right there, it comes in this nice case, very sturdy, very nice case. Does not feel cheap at all. Whoa, those aren't the headphones right there. Has a little pouch thing. You could take this one off. I believe the cables are inside. Yep. So it comes with this cable. I believe you could stretch it out up to 8 feet, and it comes with the adapter for studio use, and it is a gold-plated plug, which is pretty awesome. Now let's look at the headphones. They feel a little bit light. They don't feel cheap at all. It does feel like this is like aluminum. The names, the Koss name and Tony Bennett, feels like it's what the Koss is engraved. On top you can see his signature right there. And it's not I don't know, it feels like a leather material. And his name is engraved on top, not just like a decal, which I've seen in other headphones. The padding seems decent, and the ear pads, they feel pretty soft, but hopefully they won't hurt my ears. And these are nice aluminum. I'm pretty I feel that these headphones are pretty sturdy. I will have a review up on my channel for these headphones, so keep looking out for them. I gotta burn them in, make sure the best sound quality comes out of these headphones before I review them. And when they do for DJ use, you could move them all the way around. It's pretty cool. Alright, so that was my video. That was my unboxing of the Koss Tony Bennett limited edition headphones. Check out all my videos, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.